the sound of your footsteps. The sound of rain is like that. I don't think I've ever been so cheerful. No matter how much I try to listen, the sound of your heart that I couldn't hear, even on that day when my heart rang. The sound of rain was together, the sound of your footsteps, with the back of my hand holding the umbrella. It flows through my whole body. Ooh. Even on those days when I felt cheerful rain, like the sound of your hand, my heart has a rhythmic sound, as much as the sound of rain. You and me, perfect harmony, seems like it's never been there before. So cheerful. Have you ever heard a heartbeat? I don't think